Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be making a Peltier freezer from this cheap eBay Peltier module that I got for around $10. So we're going to test out how well this thing works, and we'll see if it can actually freeze stuff. Now we're going to use this foam for insulation to keep the cold in and the hot out. So first we're going to want to cut a hole in it the size of this fan right here. There's our hole, and now the fan should fit in snugly. And this is the outside part, and now we're going to build the actual freezer insides. So here I have half of the freezer like this. It's gonna look like that, and we're going to just put the module here on the back, like this. So now it should fit. Yep, fits well. So now that we've got the box done, we're going to glue it all together. So we're gonna hot glue around this brim right here so it makes a good seal with the box here. Okay, now the actual freezer is completely done, and we're just going to wire it up. So there's all these wires. We're going to connect all the pluses together and all the minuses together. And to connect all the wires, we're going to be using this little connector right here. And I made a video on these because they're really useful. So go check that out. So we're just going to put all these, twist them up and put them into one of the sides of the block. And now we're just going to put 12 volts in, and it should start cooling down. Now of course we're going to need a cover for this because it is just out in the open. Here we have a battery, and that's what we're going to be running it off of, 12 volts. This thing draws 6 amps, so around 72-ish watts. And it has turned on. So we're going to go ahead and start taking temperatures. So I put the chamber upside down so it's facing the ground. So the cold air should collect at the bottom and cool down the surface that it's on top of. Okay, after 10 minutes the temperature is 52 degrees, and that is the actual temperature of the wood underneath. Okay, it's been 25 minutes and the temperature has reached, wow, look at this, 11 degrees, which means this thing can freeze stuff. So why don't we put a cup of water in and see how long it takes for the entire cup of water to freeze. Here's the cup of water, and we're just going to slide that underneath and put it right there. And the cup of water is 84 degrees going in. So it's been about 30 minutes of this running. The battery is almost dead. The outer temperature is 74. This is 82 degrees. And the inside is 38. So we're getting close. I'll leave it for another 30 minutes and see if it freezes. So I accidentally left it for 2.5 hours instead of just 1 hour, and I'm pretty sure it's frozen. Yeah, it's frozen in here, and it is 34 degrees, so basically frozen. I think it's frozen all the way through. Let's test that. No, it's not. There's water in the middle. So it only froze around the inside of the glass and the top layer. But it does freeze, so we have proven that the cheap $10 eBay module with some styrofoam casing does actually work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.